Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can I install Razer Synapse? Enter Apps and Features in the Windows search box, then click on Apps and Features. A list of Razer programs installed in Windows will appear and can vary by PC. Click on Razer Synapse, select Uninstall, then click on Uninstall again. Is Razer Synapse required? Razer Synapse is a must-have if you own any piece of Razer equipment. To get the most out of your Razer devices, you must install Razer Synapse on your computer system. It is a configuration tool that helps you manage your Razer peripherals. You can install it by going to Razer's official web page. Why does Razer Synapse not uninstall? Restart your system and check if Razer Synapse is deleted from Apps and Features. If it's gone, that means the tool was uninstalled correctly and deleted. If it's still there, the uninstallation process might have been corrupted, leaving some registry entries in the system. Why can't I open Razer Synapse? If Razer Synapse failed to start on your PC, the issue might be related to Razer device drivers. Thus, reinstalling both Razer device drivers and the Synapse software can fix the issue. Note that you should thoroughly uninstall Synapse with a third-party uninstaller for your Windows 10 PC.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.